Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen who has attended this event through Zoom meeting and ITB's official YouTube. Prior to the opening of Virtual Integrated Career Days Japan Information Session 2022, please do make sure your internet network is in a stable condition so that you're not distracted throughout the event. Use headset or earphones for a better sound quality. Mute your microphones if you're not speaking to avoid feedback. Also, adjust to a comfortable sitting position and avoid backlight. Thank you. Please pay attention. Opening of Virtual Integrated Career Days Japan Information Session 2022 Institute Teknologi Bandung will start soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, peace be upon us all. Good morning, Ohayo gozaimasu. Dear Mr. and Mistress ITB leader, Mr. and Mistress company representative, all invited guests, and job seekers who has attended this morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azahra Tishania Baliarto, and on this day, Thursday, July 28th, 2022, I'll be your host throughout the entire opening of Virtual Integrated Career Days Japan Information Session 2022 Institute Teknologi Bandung. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin today's event, let's start with prayers so that the event runs smoothly without any disturbance. Prayers based on individual beliefs begins. Prayers done. Next, we are singing the national anthem Indonesia Raya. The audience is asked to sit up straight. This opening of Virtual Integrated Career Days Japan Information Session 2022 is the fifth virtual event, which is held on 28 until 29 July 2022. This event consists of a career fair, webinar from companies, and company recruitment. To find out more about Virtual Integrated Career Days July 2022, let's listen from our Head of Subdirectorate for Professional Development and Entrepreneurship, also Chair of the Virtual Integrated Career Days July 2022. To Mr. Hafiz Aziz Ahmed, MDes PhD, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Azahra. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Director of Directorate of Student Affairs of ITB, Dr. Satyo Aditama, to the representatives from Asia to Japan, Daifuku, Indeed, Money Forward, and Sun Asterix, to the alumni, fresh graduates, and students of ITB, to the members of ITB's Career Center, and to all distinguished guests and participants. Good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, and welcome to the Titian Karir Terpadu Virtual Japan Information Session, July 2022. Allow me to give a brief report on the Titian Karir Terpadu Virtual Japan Information Session, July 2022, or we used to call it TKT July 2022. This event is held 3 times a year, on April, July, and October. With the July event is focusing on the Japanese companies who are looking to recruit Indonesian job seekers and to Indonesian job seekers who are eager to work in Japan. Held in virtual form due to the COVID-19 pandemic, TKT Virtual Japan Information Session, July 2022 will be conducted for 2 days, started from today, Thursday 28 July, to tomorrow, Friday 29 July 2022, with the participation from 5 Japanese companies, Asia to Japan, Daifuku, Indeed, Money Forward, and the Sun Asterix. The area of business of these companies range from digital transformation solution, fintech, material handling, career portal, and human resources consulting business services. There are 5 webinar sessions that we provided in this event that gives information on job seeking and recruitment process in Japan, along with the presentation and introduction from the Japanese companies. 3 sessions will be held today, Thursday, which come from the Sun Asterix, Money Forward, and Daifuku, and followed tomorrow by another 2 sessions by Indeed and Asia to Japan. TKT July also provide virtual booths that can be visited in the career hall of the ITB Virtual Fair platform, where visitors could visit and interact with all 5 Japanese companies, along with the booths from the Directorate of Student Affairs of ITB and ITB Career Center. Since TKT July 2022 is also held to provide the opportunities from ITB fresh graduates who are interested in working in Japan, I would like to provide a brief data about the ITB July graduation event that was conducted just last week. The number of graduates in July ITB is 2022 is 2,050 graduates, which consists of 1,340 graduates from the undergraduate program, 539 graduates from the master program, and 42 graduates from the doctoral programs. The TKT July 2022 has been socialized and promoted through various information channels, through the website and official social media channels of ITB Career Center and the Directorate of Student Affairs of ITB. And so far, around 200 participants has been registered to attend the webinar events hosted today and tomorrow. Hopefully, the Titian Karir Terpadu Virtual Japan Information Session July 2022 will provide a good opportunity for both the companies from Japan and to the Indonesian job seekers who want to work in Japan to meet and interact with each other. In the end, I would like to give the highest appreciation to Asia to Japan, Daifuku, Indeed, Money Forward, and Sun Asterix, and to ITB, especially to the Directorate of Student Affairs of ITB and ITB Career Center that made the event possible. Thank you. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mr. Hafiz Aziz Ahmad, for the remarks. The event will be continued with a series of opening remarks by Head of the Directorate of Student Affairs ITB, Mr. Dr. G. Prasetyo Aditama, SSN, MSN, who will also begin the virtual integrated career event July 2022. To Dr. G. Prasetyo Aditama, SSN, MSN, the floor is yours.
Baik, terima kasih Mbak Sarah. Hayuk Semas, Honorable the representatives of the Asia to Japan, Sambaisang and Kawaisang, also the representatives of Sun Asterix, Koshimoto-sang, Hayuk Semas, Mane representatives of the Mane Forward Incorporated, and also Daifuku Corporate Company Limited and Indeed Japan, and also Pak Sigit dari Sastra Jepang Universitas Pajajaran. Selamat pagi Pak Sigit. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to express our gratitude and also appreciation for you for your contribution in this event. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Thank you of all of the students of our course, Pak Hafiz Aziz, the head of ITB Career Center and team who prepares the virtual Japan Information Session 2022. And first of all, thank you also for joining virtual Japan Information Center in this fine and joyful morning. I hope we are all in good health. Ladies and gentlemen, this is actually the second event of ITB Career Center to conduct virtual career days, especially dedicated to a certain industry, which is Japanese industry. The virtual Japan Information Session 2022 is conducted in the connection of the ITB students' graduation ceremony that was held last week. And so we hope these events, the virtual Japan Information Session, will be useful and to provide career development opportunities for ITB students. And also these virtual or online events can be a breakthrough in the situation of the post-pandemic COVID-19. And as we know, according to our survey, in 2021, so-called ITB Tracer Study, Japan is the overseas destinations for the most ITB alumni for their future education and career. There are 15 alumni who get their higher educations in some Japanese university like Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, and Nagoya, and other universities. Also, besides, there are 22 alumni who work in Japan, and now we also try to develop the student competition, and we hope more students, more graduate students can work or study in Japan in the near future. So we hope the virtual Japan Information Session 2022 can be more successful and useful for students, especially the fresh graduate students, as well as all parties who contribute in this event. Ladies and gentlemen, again, we express our gratitude and appreciations for the contribution in this event to Asia to Japan, Mane Forward Incorporated, Daifuku Company Limited, Indeed Japan, and Sun Asterix Incorporated. And I wish further collaboration in the near future. And on behalf of the Directorate of Student Affairs of ITB, I officially launched the virtual Japan Information Session 2022. Thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, thank you for Dr. G. Prasetyo Aditama for the remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, the opening ceremony has begun. However, it does not feel right if we continue without documenting this moment. Therefore, to all participants, please kindly turn on your camera as we are going to take some pictures. I'll be waiting for everyone to turn on their cameras and prepare your best poses. All right, let me count until 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the opening ceremony has begun. The event will be followed by opening remarks that will be delivered by Masato Sanpei-san, head of Asia to Japan, and the Study Go Work Japan program. To Sanpei-san, we invite you to the stage.
Selamat pagi, Samania. Asia to Japan の三平です。
Nama saya Sampai dari Asia to Japan. Selamat pagi.
皆さんと同じように、私も会場で皆さんにお会いできないことはとても残念です。
Sebenarnya saya pada hari ini sangat menyayangkan ya, karena tidak bisa hadir secara langsung bertatap muka dengan para hadirin semuanya.
しかし、私たちは一人ではありません。このようなオンラインテクノロジーの進歩により、日本から皆さんにこのように会えるようになりました。
Akan tetapi tentu saja yang mengalami kondisi seperti online sekarang ini bukan hanya kita saja, kita tidak sendirian. Justru dengan adanya perkembangan teknologi online seperti sekarang inilah yang bisa membuat saya dari Jepang bisa bertemu pada hari ini dengan hadirin semuanya.
新型コロナウイルスは世界10億人以上の生徒を学校から追い出しましたが、これは一時的なものであり、私たちは学び続け、夢を追いかけることを止めてはいけません。
COVID-19 yang terjadi telah menyebabkan menjauhkannya para lebih dari 1 miliar siswa di seluruh dunia dari sekolah. Tetapi ini merupakan hal yang sementara saja. Kita sebagai pembelajar harus terus belajar, kemudian jangan sampai lupa atau jangan sampai berhenti untuk mengejar mimpi kita.
コロナウイルスで何を失ったかでなく、どう対応したかで決まります。世界は私たちのものであり、私たちはこれから何ができるのか、一人一人考えていかなければなりません。
Dalam menghadapi COVID-19, tentu saja yang paling penting adalah bukan memikirkan apa yang hilang dari terjadinya COVID-19 tersebut, tetapi bagaimana cara kita menanggulanginya ke depannya. Dunia ini atau bumi ini adalah milik kita bersama. Oleh karena itu, mulai sekarang, masing-masing dari diri kita harus mulai berpikir apa yang bisa kita lakukan untuk dunia ini.
まず、アジアとジャパンはキャリアセンターの協力を得て、無料で受講できる日本語の授業を開講します。そして、コロナ禍でも毎月日本で働くことのできるオンライン就職イベントを開催しています。
Mungkin pertama sebagai apa yang bisa kami lakukan dari Asia to Japan bekerja sama dengan Career Center ITB mengadakan kembali event pembelajaran bahasa Jepang secara gratis ya, secara online. Kemudian juga setiap bulan kami juga melakukan event persiapan bekerja di Jepang yang bisa diikuti juga secara online.
今年中には日本に無料で招待し、日本で面接を受けるイベントを復活させます。チャンスは用意しました。あとは皆さんの努力と勇気だけです。ぜひご応募をお待ちしております。
Dalam tahun ini kami mulai mengaktifkan kembali program atau event persiapan bekerja di Jepang dengan mengundang mahasiswa ITB ke Jepang secara gratis untuk mengikuti wawancara bekerja di Jepang. Jadi hari ini semuanya, kesempatan sudah tersedia. Sekarang yang diperlukan adalah usaha dan keberanian daripada hari ini semuanya untuk memulai. Kami tunggu partisipasi dan keikutsertaannya dalam program kami.
最後に、今、コロナで苦しんでいられる方の回復と、今後も皆さんと皆さんの家族が無事でいられますように。Terima kasih.
Terakhir, saya ingin menyampaikan juga doa mungkinnya untuk kesembuhan atau kepulihan bagi siapapun yang menjadi korban atau terpapar COVID-19 atau menderita karena keadaan COVID-19. Dan saya doakan juga semua keluarga, diri Anda dan keluarga Anda dalam keadaan sehat dan baik. Terima kasih.
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu, Sampai-san, for the remarks that has been given. All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to join the webinar that will be held at 11 a.m. today, or check the latest information about ITB Integrated Career Days 2022 through the Instagram account at ITB Career Center. You can visit the link virtualfair.itb.ac.id to find out more about the activities of the Integrated Career in July 2022, which are supported by Asia to Japan, Daifuku Co. Ltd, Money Forward Inc., Indeed Japan, and Sun Asterisk Inc. Now we have to reach the end of this event. Once again, I would like to thank every participant who has joined here today. And my name is Azara Tishania Balierto, hereby closing the opening of Virtual Integrated Career Days July 2022. See you at the next activity. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much.
Terima kasih.